This 2016 Forest River Berkshire XL 40QL is a Class A RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 86 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2016 Forest River Berkshire XL 40QL is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.